So yesterday I restored all this with epoxy and balsa core, more or less this whole inboard side that was rotten, and the outboard toe had peeled off, which was more than I thought it was, more damage than I thought, but you know. So today I'm going to continue cutting this open, actually down to here. I honestly don't expect to find too much except for around this area, so I'm going to get to that, possibly behind this fitting. So I'm going to get to cutting this open. I don't know that I'm comfortable cutting more than a bigger section than you can see there, which is like 6 feet or so, because of the weather, more or less. It's always lots of humidity, the rest on the boat around here, so there's just not enough time to let everything dry and then glass it.